Today we are going to look at remainder theorem. First, let's recall the example we covered in the previous video. So we have p of x and it divided by x plus 3. And we received the result, which is here. Now we are going to focus on the divisor x plus 3 and the remainder, explore some relationships between them. First, we are going to look at the divisor, which is x plus 3. If we let this divisor be 0, we will get a value of x, which is negative 3. And then we are going to substitute this negative 3 into the expression of p of x. P of x actually it is a function, so the input is negative is x, so here it's just negative 3. And then for the output, we just replace all x values by negative 3. Then use the above expression, and we will have this result that we are going to calculate. Negative 3 to the power 3. So this one is an odd number. Therefore, the result is still negative. It is negative 27. So 2 times negative 27. And then negative 3 squared. So square is an even number. So if the index is even, then the result is positive. Therefore, we have positive 9. Similarly, we will have minus 9 and minus 1. The result will be added the 43 first, and then the first two we will have negative 63 and then minus 10. The final result is negative 72. What can you discover? Yes, so this value is just the remainder of p of x. So they are exactly the same. It tells us the result of the remainder theorem. It means when we try to get the remainder of the polynomial, we can skip the long division and just use the x value. And this x value is obtained by using the divisor. Then we are going to conclude the result in this form. So when p of x is divided by x minus alpha, so here the x minus alpha is the divisor. Then we are going to let the divisor be 0. Find a value of x, which is alpha. And then the remainder will be the output of p alpha. So just substitute alpha into the polynomial. Similarly, if we generalize the result, now the divisor is beta x plus alpha. So now this one is divisor. Now we are going to let this one be 0. Get a value of x, which is negative alpha over beta. Of course, beta is a non-zero value. Then the remainder can be calculated by using the polynomial. It is p of negative alpha over beta. So this result is called the remainder theorem. And we are going to use the result to solve one example. Here we have given the question. So p of x is divided by x minus 2. It means x minus 2 is the divisor. And we are going to use divisor to get the remainder r directly. And how can we do? So let the divisor be 0. It is x minus 2 is equal to 0. and we get the value of x. And input the value of x into the expression of the polynomial. And p of 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 minus 3 times 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 6. Then simplify this one, we will have 8 minus 12 plus 4 plus 6. And this result will be positive 6 directly. Therefore, we are going to make the conclusion. The remainder is number 6. This one is part A. And then for part B, we have the divisor, which is 2x plus 1. Then, in order to find the x value, we just let this divisor be 0. And we will have x equals negative 1 over 2. Substitute this value into the polynomial. Then we will have p of negative a half is equal to negative a half cubed minus 2 times negative a half, then plus 4. And this result, we will have negative 1 over 8, and plus 1, and plus 4. And the final result will be 7 out of 8 plus 4. Convert this one to the mixed fraction. This one will be the remainder. Therefore, the remainder is 4 and 7 out of 8. This is the result to part B. We can reverse this process to determine some unknown values in the polynomial. Let's look at example 2. So for this, the polynomial is given and it is divided by x minus 2. So it means x minus 2 is the divisor. Then we know the remainder is 4. And then use this information to find the value of a in the polynomial. Now how can we do? Similarly, the divisor is x minus 2. We let this one be 0, get one value of x. Substitute the value of x into the polynomial. We will have 2 cubed plus 2 times 2 plus 8. And this result will be the remainder, number 4. This one is the remainder. Okay. Then we have received an equation, which is 8 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 4. Then both sides minus 4. We will have 8 plus 8 equals 0. Finally, a is equal to negative 8.